We want to put some plum blossoms on here. I believe they are good luck for the year. So I'm going to roll out some
plum blossoms.
Yeah, some plum blossoms.
All right.
So I'm going to.
They're not cherry blossoms.
No.
They're plum blossoms.
I think that's Japanese.
Well,
I don't know.
The only blossom that I know. So I
actually have a plum tree out there if you want to go see what a plum blossom looks like.
That's cool.
So just roll. You can normally use gum paste, but I've got fondant with some Tylose in it, so that will work. I don't roll it as thin as gum paste because it's not gum paste, but it will be firm, dry firm. Okay, so roll it fairly thin.
I was going to say that looks pretty thin compared to the other.
Well, yeah, that's because this has had to be a structure.
Yeah.
These are just flowers.
Yeah.
Okay, so pretty thin. And then I've got just a little 5-petal, any 5-petal one will do. Okay, this one happens to have points on it, doesn't matter.
Okay.
Okay, 5 petals of blossom.
Do you need any sound effects while you're doing this?
No, I don't.
Some kind of sound effect. You can make up your own sound effects.
Okay, so there it is. This is just a soft piece of foam. I actually think it's like a makeup sponge or something. I'm not sure what it is. I'm just going to take a big round end and pop it down like so. See, it actually thins it out and
curves it a wee bit.
And I can cup it, yeah.
And that's a ball tool?
Well, this was my rolling pin. The end of this. Right. This is called a Cel Stick.
Okay.
Okay, that was the end of that. This is a ball tool, and this I just popped it down like that and let it dry.
Look at that.
And that's all I did for these.
And how long does it take for those to dry?
These actually only take an hour or so.
Okay. I thought you were going to say overnight again.
No, they're really thin.
Yeah.
They're really thin, so they dry really fast.
But you could make them all the night before.
Oh yeah, I made these several days ago.
Yeah.
So several days later. Okay, and I have a little bit of dusting color. This is an edible dusting color. It's a kosher one. I get mine from the Sugar Art. I like theirs. Or you can also get them from Beth Provo. God, I can't remember what the name of her company is. Crystal Colors, I think, is what her company's called. Those are all edible, the ones that they make, if you're worried about that. Okay, so a little bit of purple on here. Just dust it. So we have a little color. Okay.
Cool.
So just a little bit. You can dust the whole thing. They're actually typically pretty white.
I'm sorry, what color was that?
This is a purple. It's actually called ultra purple.
Not plum, of course.
No.
Couldn't be that
actually,
easy.
Plum is very dark. Plum is the color of the fruit.
Gotcha.
The blossoms aren't that dark. At least mine aren't. Okay, so we're just going to pop some color on these because they look pretty boring without color.
All right.
Okay, so there they are. Let me start putting this together a little bit. We have one more thing to do on here with that same. Okay.
Same disc?
The same disc,
okay,
yeah.
Okay, so you've got your little.
I've still got my white fondant in here. Yep.
Okay.
And what we want to do is we want to put this on to make our 2 lines from the top down, like so. So it's got to come in the center here, come across the top, and then come back down here at an angle. Okay, so I need a little bit of water to attach.
Can you show us the other side of it too once you get that?
Yeah. Once I get this one, you want to see that one, don't you?
Yeah, we want to see both sides where it
comes
in.
Let me cut it off. And turn it around.
Okay.
Let me get hard on me here. I can't see. I think that's right. That bottom part's going to be covered up with these little guys anyway, so don't worry too much about if you've got it perfect. Okay.